So we've worked hard with WaveNet, and we are adding, as of today, 6 new voices to the Google Assistant. Let's have them say hello.
Good morning, everyone.
I'm your Google Assistant.
Welcome to Shoreline Amphitheater.
We hope you'll enjoy Google I/O.
So as you guys just saw, Google announced some new voices for the Google Assistant, but as of now they're only available for the Pixel devices. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get those new voices on your Android smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the Settings app. Then you have to find the Apps option on your phone. Just click on it. Let it load. Then you'll have to scroll down and find Google app. That's right over there. Just click on it. As you can see, there are 3 dots on the upper right corner. Just click on it and click on uninstall updates. Go back. Then you have to open the link which will be in the description box below to download the latest Google APK. You have to just download it. Just click on save. So after downloading the APK, just open it and click on the install button. After the installation, just open the Google app again. Click on the settings. Again, click on settings. Then you will see preferences. Click on it. Now you will see a new option which will be assistant voices. So these are the new voices just released. So if you like the video, please click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.